Hello, my dear children. Welcome to our math class. In this class, we are going to solve question number 5, 6, 7, and 8 from the exercise 7.2. Question number 5. ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangles on the same base BC so that angle ABD equal to angle ACD. Okay, हामीलाई यहाँनिर के छ भन्दा we have two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DBC, both are isosceles triangle. That means यो triangle मा हाम्रो AB equal to AC छ, and again in this triangle DB equal to DC. We have to show that angle ABD, that means this angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. Okay, यो गर्नु छ. Okay, so let's start the solution. First मा हाम्रोमा के छ, in triangle, this is isosceles triangle, in triangle ABC we have this AB equal to AC is given. Okay, यो given छ हामीलाई, यो given छ भने we know that angles opposite to equal sides are equal. That means यो angle 1 लेखेँ मैले यसलाई, यो भयो angle 2. Okay, this is angle 1, this is angle 2. So यहाँबाट हुन्छ हाम्रो angle 1 is equal to angle 2. This is angles opposite to equal sides. Okay, this is the reason, equal sides. This is our equation number 1. Again, our next triangle, so again, this is also an isosceles triangle. Okay, again in triangle DBC, here also we have DB equal to DC. This is given. So यो equal छ भने this imply, okay, मैले यसमा लेखेँ this is angle 3, this is angle 4. So यो हुन्छ हाम्रो angle 3 equal to angle 4, region is same. Okay, so this is our equation number 2. Now अब हाम्रो प्रुभ गर्नुपर्ने हो angle ABD. Angle ABD कसरी आउँछ भन्दा 1 plus 3 गरे भने ABD हुन्छ. Similarly ACD को लागि we have to add 2 and 3. Okay, so मैले यहाँ लेखेँ now adding equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, यो दुईटा एड गर्दा भयो हाम्रो angle 1 plus angle 3 equal to यो साइड छ 2 plus 4. Angle 2 plus angle 4. Okay, angle 1 plus angle 2 is angle ABD. Similarly, angle 2 plus angle 4 is angle ACD. Okay, यो भयो हाम्रो proved. Okay, this is our question number 5. Now question number 6. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equal to AC. Okay, यहाँनिर हाम्रोमा छ triangle ABC. This is an isosceles triangle in which AB equal to AC is given. Side BA is produced to D. Okay, यो side BA चाहिँ कहाँसम्म पुगेको रहेछ, D सम्म पुगेको छ, such that AD equal to AB. यो AB र AD पनि equal रहेछ. We have to show that angle BCD is 90 degree. That means यो angle जुन चाहिँ छ, this angle is 90 degree हो भनेर show गर्नु छ. Okay, so यो angle लाई म यहाँ divide गरेर यसलाई लेख्छु 1, यो लेख्छु 2. That means we have to show that angle 1 plus angle 2 is 90 degree. Okay, so let's start the solution. First हाम्रो छ in triangle ABC. This is an isosceles triangle हो. In triangle ABC यसमा हामीलाई given छ AB equal to AC is given. Okay, यो given भयो भने we know that angles opposite to equal sides are equal. That means angle B equal to angle 1 भयो. Angle B equal to angle 1. This is angles opposite to equal sides. This is our equation number 1. Okay, also अब हाम्रो अर्को ट्रायंगल छ ट्रायंगल ACD. Also in triangle ACD यसमा भयो हाम्रो AC is equal to AD. This is also given. Okay, यो given भयो भने यसमा पनि हुन्छ हाम्रो angle D equal to angle 2. यो भयो angle D equal to angle 2. This is also same reason. Okay, यो भयो 2. Now again हामीलाई चाहिएको angle BCD. BCD means this angle lies in triangle BCD मा. Okay, so that means again in triangle BCD यसमा हुन्छ हाम्रो angle B plus angle B means this angle. Okay, angle B plus angle BCD, angle BCD त हाम्रो यो angle भयो, plus angle D is this angle. Okay, अनि यो तीनवटा एंगल जोड्यो भने हुन्छ 180 डिग्री. यसलाई भन्छ angle sum property of triangle. Okay, so using 1 and 2, using 1 and 2. Okay, 1 बाट हामी के गर्नु सक्छ भन्दा in place of angle B we can put angle 1. Okay, so B को प्लेसमा मैले पुट गरे angle 1 plus BCD as it is छ angle BCD plus angle D को प्लेसमा we can put angle 2. Angle 2 equal to 180 degree. Okay, यहाँनिर हाम्रो जुन चाहिँ यो छ angle 1 plus angle 2. Okay, हामीले फिगरबाट देख्न सक्छ angle 1 plus angle 2 भनेको angle BCD हो. So that means angle 1 plus angle 2 को प्लेसमा we can put angle BCD plus angle BCD equal to 180 degree. So यो भयो BCD plus BCD is 2 angle BCD equal to 180 degree. So यहाँबाट हुने रहेछ angle BCD equal to 180 divided by 2. यो cancel गर्दा भयो 90 degree. Okay, so 90 degree, hence angle BCD is a right angle. Okay, यसरी भयो हाम्रो question number 6 proved. Now question number 7. ABC is a right angle triangle in which angle A equal to 90 degree and AB equal to AC. Okay, here we have a triangle, right triangle ABC in which angle A is 90 degree and also given is AB equal to AC. That means this is an isosceles right angle triangle. Okay, so we have to find the value of angle B and angle C. Okay, your angle B and angle C ko value we have to find out. Okay, so first ma let's start the solution. हामी के गर्छ भन्दाखेरि ओके अब यसमा हामीलाई के छ भन्दा इन ट्रायंगल ABC मा we have given AB equal to AC. यो भयो हाम्रो AB equal to AC. This is given. Okay, and we know that यो given छ भने angles opposite to equal sides are equal. That means angle B equal to angle C भयो. Okay, this is angles opposite to equal sides. Equal sides. Okay, this is our equation number 1. यहाँ हाम्रो भइहाल्यो. Again हाम्रो यही ट्रायंगल मा के हुन्छ all the three angles जोड्यो भने 180 डिग्री हुन्छ. Again angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. यो हो हाम्रो by angle sum property of triangle. Okay, so we know that के छ हाम्रोमा since angle A equal to 90 degree भनेर given छ. Okay, this is given. So that means यो A को प्लेसमा we can put 90 degree. यो भयो हाम्रो 90 degree plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. So यहाँबाट यो 90 लाई मैले यो साइडमा लगे. यो भयो हाम्रो angle B plus angle C equal to 180 minus 90. Okay, again using 1 बाट हामी के युज गर्न सक्छ भन्दा angle B र angle C सेम हो. So म के गर्छु angle C को प्लेसमा पनि we can put angle B. Okay, is equal to 180 minus 90 is 90. So यो भयो हाम्रो angle B plus angle B is 2 angle B equal to 90 degree. So from here angle B equal to 90 degree by 2 यो cancel गर्दा we will get 45 degree. That means हाम्रो angle B आयो 45 degree. Therefore from 1 again मैले 1 मा भ्यालु पुट गरे. 1 मा के छ हाम्रो both angle B and C are equal. So यो हुने रहेछ हाम्रो angle B equal to angle C equal to 45 degree. Both are सेम ओके 45 डिग्री भयो दिस इज 45 डिग्री ओके सो यो भयो हाम्रो क्वेशन नम्बर 7 नाउ क्वेशन नम्बर 8 show that the angles of an equilateral triangle are 60 degree each ओके हामीलाई यो क्वेशनमा चाहिँ के गर्नु पर्ने रहेछ भन्दाखेरि एउटा इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगलको all the 3 angles 60 डिग्री हुन्छ भनेर सो गर्नु छ ओके सो यहाँनिर हाम्रोमा भयो एउटा इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल एबीसी भयो अनि इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल भनेको वी नो दैट all the 3 sides are equal that means AB equal to BC equal to AC ओके सो यो भयो हाम्रो in an equilateral triangle ABC यसमा हाम्रो हुन्छ all the 3 sides equal that is AB equal to BC equal to AC okay equilateral triangle को all the 3 sides equal भयो and we know that angles opposite to equal sides are equal so सबै equal भयो भने एकाअर्काको opposite angles all the angles पनि equal भयो that means angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C okay यसलाई मैले लेखे 1 okay so also अब हाम्रो के हुन्छ भन्दा कुनै पनि ट्रायंगल भित्रको all the 3 angles add गरे भने we will always get 180 degree this is angle sum property of triangle okay so using 1 okay 1 use गरे म के गर्छु भन्दा B को प्लेस मा पनि we can put angle A again and in place of C we can put angle A okay so यो भयो 180 degree so angle A plus angle A is 3 angle A equal to 180 degree so from here angle A equal to 180 by 3 you cancel garda we will get 60 degree okay so hence हाम्रो के हुने रहेछ from 1 बाट लियो भने अगेन हाम्रो के हो all 3 angles are equal हो so angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C all are 60 degree proved okay so that means equilateral triangle को चाहिँ के हुने रहेछ each angle is 60 degree हुन्छ okay so यो थियो हाम्रो question number 8 from the exercise 7.2 so यसको साथै we have completed the exercise 7.2 so in our next class we are going to solve another exercise okay till then keep practicing and thank you very much